Natalie here, and I have a bit of a confession to make. I'm supposed to be doing other things right now, but I'm making soap instead. So we'll just get this done and then I'll go do the other things, right? Okay, so right now I'm going to make a goat's milk soap, and this is going to be a coffee soap. I have some spent coffee grounds that I have dried. Now, spent coffee grounds is what you want to use in soap. Two reasons. Number one, it won't be as scratchy because regular old raw fresh ground coffee is very abrasive. The other thing is it tends to bleed. So this takes away, it still gives some exfoliation, but it takes away some of that abrasiveness. It also doesn't have the halo. So if you have those little bits of fresh ground coffee in there, they're going to bleed. That coffee is going to bleed out into your soaps. You're going to have these halos. So coffee scented soap as well. I have, the label is off, but I have espresso from Bramble Berry. I have coffee shop from Bramble Berry, these all Bramble Berry, and then chocolate espresso. So I'm going to do kind of a blend. They have different color discoloration. The chocolate is a dark brown. The coffee shop, it's an off-white, and then the espresso is kind of a toasty brown. So the majority of it, well, I shouldn't say majority, half of it's going to be the espresso, and I'm going to add the coffee grounds to that, and then I'm going to kind of do a drop swirl, maybe hanger swirl, depending on how quickly things move, with the chocolate espresso and the coffee shop. The chocolate espresso has mild acceleration, as does the coffee shop, and the espresso does accelerate. This is a slow moving recipe this is my main formula now, so it should be pretty good. Anyway, I have the goat's milk. I went ahead and did the dehydrated goat's milk, so I went ahead and added that with a little bit of water and put it into my oils, and I have my lye solution, everything at the right temperature. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, I forgot to say, I am not going to be adding any other colors because I want to have those three colors of up at the brown, the dark brown, the toasty brown, and then that off-white. So I'm not going to add any additional micas to that.